Through service learning, I learned something I could have never learned in a classroom. I learned the value of respect through the act of service. I have an important role to play that is far greater than my academic achievements. So service learning has actually changed my perspective of life. It has made me realize how I may always want to help someone but actually not realizing how much I have got to learn from the other people. And it's never about helping but serving. It's about respect for one another as well.
Service learning is about applying what you have learnt in class to a community project. Through service learning, we want students to first understand the needs of the community and to apply their skills for the benefit of the community. And along the way, we hope they can gain greater empathy and compassion.
It's important for students to get exposed to areas and work which is outside their immediate domain. It helps them get exposed to new problems and new ways of learning, and really try and address problems in a different way and bring those learnings back to their immediate community as well.
Okay, Project Lombo is an international service learning project whereby our students from the School of Design and Environment work with the local community to design and build community infrastructures responding to the needs of the community there. This trip actually provides our students with a real-life experience, exposing them to real-life clients and problems, and making them work together with local community to come up with design solutions.
Ever since we embarked on the Health Serve program, I could never look at foreign workers the same again. They work really hard and their struggles are real despite the stereotypes that Singaporeans give them. I really respect them.
And it feels good to know that I can use the skills and knowledge that I learned in school to help them.
We went on a service learning trip to East Coast Park, and at first we thought that there would not be that much rubbish. However, for about 45 minutes to 1 hour, we picked up about 2 bags of rubbish. And therefore, we were thinking about how we could reduce the workload of the cleaners and also speed up the ease of picking up the rubbish.
Okay, it gives me a new sense of accomplishment as I'm able to build a robot to ease the workload of the cleaners.
The hyphen in service learning is actually intentional. It represents the bridge between the service and the learning, helping learners better understand the communities that they serve and connecting the academic knowledge to real-world applications.
In service learning, both the service and the learning are important. A key part of this is the reflection before, during and after the project. What do we learn? What skills do we apply? Was the activity meaningful to the beneficiaries? Through the process, students get to know themselves and their community better.
The outcome of the project between Ngee Poly as well as Tai Hwa Kwan has been very positive. The students from Ngee Poly actually came regularly for about 6 months. Once a month they came down and they actually chit-chat with the seniors.
We had a service learning module at THK because we had to produce a poster for our respective elderlies. And we also had multiple visits because we wanted them to be more comfortable with us, so we had introductory sessions to warm up to them.
Tiap kali pelajar Ngee Poly datang ke tempat kita orang happy. Pasal apa, budak-budak ni layan kita macam kita ni orang tua diorang ataupun nenek pada diorang. Itu ajalah kita orang kadang suka sangat.
因为学生来的像他们现在懂了很多，我们不懂，他们教我们。 让我们修很多东西了，所以我们觉得心里很好，很舒服。
Ngee Polytechnic launched service learning as our signature pedagogy in early 2016. By 2018, we aim to have every diploma offer at least one module where service learning is a key pedagogy. For this to happen, we'll need to train more colleagues, broaden our network of partners, and continually learn from each other's experiences. We firmly believe that through service learning, we'll inspire our students to become passionate learners, big-hearted persons, and global smart professionals.